Deep dish quesadillas. They're easy. You can use whatever you have on hand, and most of all, your kids absolutely love quesadillas. TCS families, welcome to another version of TCS Kitchen Classroom, the home version. Today we are making deep dish quesadillas. They're easy. You can use whatever you have on hand, and most of all, your kids absolutely love quesadillas. Like most recipes, you can make it healthier than it may seem just by changing the proportions, using more veggies than cheese. Or if your kids aren't quite there yet, using more cheese and a little less veggies. Another thing you can do is to use whole grain tortillas. Again, your kids are used to eating them at school, so don't let them tell you otherwise. Also, you don't have to use what we use. We used a cast iron skillet. You don't have to. Just be sure that you oil your pan. Pop it in the oven and wait till it's golden brown. And you're all set to go for a fun meal. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you again next time.